Good morning, my dear. It's time to walk. You don't want to? You're lazy? Okay, well, you're the one dying in bed, not me. Okay, my dear, are you ready to walk now? No? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna call the doctor. We're gonna amputate those legs. It's very useless. My dear, let's eat now. What do you mean you don't want to? My dear, you haven't eaten for 5 days. Ay, nako. You cannot do this. You're gonna die. You don't want to? Okay, well, call me when you're starving to death, okay? Yes, my dear, you ring the call bell. Help you get to where? The bathroom. What's the purpose of your walker there? Is the display, design. That's what I thought. Oh, so use your walker and go to the bathroom yourself. How are you gonna walk to the bathroom when you're at home? Not me. I'm not getting paid for that. I'm not going to your house to walk you. Okay. Dear, let's take your medication. You don't want to?